This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear cache in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Mozilla Firefox web browser opened up now. To clear cache in the Firefox browser, there's more than one way to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says History and click on History. Now under History, right here, Clear Recent History, click on Clear Recent History. A little dialog box will open up. At the very top, it asks you how far back you want to clear. The last hour, you can click the drop down. Last 2 hours, last 4 hours, since midnight, or everything. If you wanted to completely clear your cache, you would click on Everything. And then after that, you would go through these boxes right here and you would check or uncheck what you want to be cleared. Browsing and download history, you can check it or uncheck it. Cookies and site data. Temporary cache files and pages. Saved form info. Site settings, you would select what you want to select, and then you would click on Clear. And that's it. That is how you clear cache in the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.